Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. Here is another video and we are going to make another tea here. So for this one we are going to make special tea here, and this is going to be the honey and lemon, a simple tea with honey and lemon. For that you just have to make your tea. So get your tea first, your tea bag, and here is my tea bag here. I'm placing the tea bag in there, and this goes in, and we are going to add here lemon. Add lemon to this. I will add 2 wedges of lemon. And boiling water, and you can see how beautiful this is. I can already smell it, the lemon, and it smells really good. And now you can just take out the tea bag here. You just have to leave it for a few seconds until the tea is properly diffuse in the water. Here, tea. I don't like the tea very strong, so what I will do is I will take it out very soon. And here you can see, here is the tea now. If you like your tea very strong, you can leave the tea bag inside. And here I am going to add some honey on top of it. I will leave the lemon inside because it will give more flavor to the tea, and you can just leave it inside. Or if you don't like it too strong, you can take the lemon out. Some honey on the top. And just give it a stir. See, the lemon stays in. Just gently stir your tea, and I will add a bit of water. And here is your tea, which is ready. This one is lemon and honey tea, which is very simple. This one is not very strong, and if you like your tea stronger, you can do it the other way. You can leave your tea bag inside and you can have it that way. This is a very beautiful tea and it is very good for you. I hope you like this tea. Please do try it at home, and I hope you like this video. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.